channel and to a new video. We got some new goodies from Fanatec. If you haven't been to the channel before, if you're new, usually just live stream sim rate. Make every about 10 months ago. But in this past year, a new CSL Elite 43 load Samsung, which has been amazing. Cockpit, got the TV mount, all integrated. Unboxing. Go browse the channel. Check it out, but we got the new goodies we're gonna check out, so let's ready to the V3 pedals, got the performance kit to go with it. The current system I got right now. Motor on the back of the accelerator and the brake, so it's supposed to help. It's got ABS springs on there for the throttle as well. And then this 2.5 carbon fiber wheel. So we're gonna unbox these, show you what all these replacements so you can see with your own eyes. New driver head browse, EA17, live stream Mondays, Masters, Saturdays. So this is just important release daily. A lot of people have this wheel, but they have the Xbox version. You just have to put it on. But yeah, a lot of the guys have gotten that version. Fanatec stuff. I had put a lot of time on the rig. We'll get it back. Still an A+. Let's check. Well, that'll make the end of the end credit. Leather grips instead of the Alcantara. That's it's got the leather grips. I got sweaty hands. I got hyper grip. Yeah, I get quite sweaty. I have gloves that I wear. So yeah, this is watching a lot of videos right now, videos trying to figure out how the brand and the software out there harder videos. Race, new games. Race settings kind of thing. I'm just talking about it. And stay tuned for the shade out. The next video, stickers. So, extra different pedals. I don't even gotta change the pedal faces because these are the ones I was gonna put on there. Heavy hard. Probably gonna remove the clutch pedal, put the whole brake and accelerator, ring, accelerator. I will be putting on. Heavy pedal. I won't be using. I like these faces better. Accelerator, which I will be putting on, and more grease. Making sure everyone's on subscribe. Saturdays appreciated. Mondays we have Rainbow. Saturdays FIA on the Switch. Race. Watch after that. And yeah,